welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful paper flower out of just a few things. For this you will need a glue stick and 3 by 3 inches cutted square, or you can cut it to your desired size. Now make the same fold as I am making. Fold it like this, open it up and fold it in the opposite direction but the same way. Now you see this middle line that we have over here? Fold these flaps here. Now like this. We're going to fold this backwards like this. Now open it all up like this and fold it like this. Open it up and fold it in half like this. Fold it like this. Do the same on the other end. Now open it up. Now push inwards like this and you will get something like this. Now open up your glue stick. Fold this flap down like this. Add a little of glue, bit of glue, and close. Now open those flaps, which are closed. Like this, and you should have a petal like this. Now make 7 more like this. I have already made them over here, you can see. Now we have to join them together. Apply a bit of glue just over here, not at the top. Then take your next petal and join them just like this. Press them from here. Let this stick better. And repeat the same process. On the last petal, glue both the ends like this. And there you go, your beautiful paper flower. Just ready in a few minutes. Hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.